morning. I'm Robin Boutray. I am the Associate Director here at the Grundy Museum. We are in Bristol, Pennsylvania, just north of Philadelphia on the Delaware River. Grundy Museum was the home of the Grundy family, and they made woolen yarn here in Bristol. When the house came for sale in 1884, they bought it and refurbished it into a beautiful home that you see today.
Hello, my name is John Whiteknight. I'm the current director of the Grundy Victorian House Museum. We chose Americana because of how they treated and revered historical properties. Whether you own a Victorian house or a vintage house and you are concerned about preserving its integrity, a product like Americana would be very, very advisable.